Meet our team experts at Gayatri Vihar Palace Grounds, Bengaluru on 20th to 22nd September. See you there.
Hi everyone, the Garment Technology Expo 2024 is almost here and Logic ERP is ready to showcase the future of apparel technology. Join us at Gayatri Vihar Palace Grounds, Bengaluru on 20th September to explore all about Logic ERP advanced ERP solutions for your apparel retail, distribution and manufacturing industry.
Hi everyone, join us at Garment Technology Expo 2024 where apparel production meets innovation. We are excited to showcase our advanced ERP solution from September 20th to 22nd at Gayatri Vihar Palace Ground, Bengaluru.
Hi everyone, get ready for the Garment Technology Expo 2024. Meet our experts at Gayatri Vihar Palace Grounds, Bengaluru from September 20th to 22nd. See you there.